guys, in today's video I'm doing another makeup look using the Colourpop X Kathleenlights Zodiac palette. I have been doing a lot more colorful and like warm tone looks recently, so I thought I'd show you a cool tone makeup look, and I used the Zodiac palette because I wanted to. I also wanted this look to be a bit more natural, but it didn't really turn out that way, so maybe I'll try again soon. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by priming my eyes. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And I did apply my foundation just because I'm not using anything new at the moment and I'm kind of tired of showing it. And today I'm actually going to set that down with a translucent powder. Normally I don't set it, but it feels kind of sticky today, so I'm going to set it a little too sticky. Really quickly, I'm also going to apply some tape to the outer edges of my eyes. I want to have like a sharp edge with my shadow today, so it's just going to be really easy to get that effect. And then for eyeshadow, I'm actually going to use the Colourpop X Kathleenlights Zodiac palette. I'm going to go into the Libra right here and buff this in my crease as a transition. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush, that way it gets everywhere all over my eye. Zoom in. Once that shade is buffed out, I'm going to take a more precise brush and go in the shade the Taurus right there. I'm just going to use a Morphe M433. Start to buff that out in my crease. I want this look to be more natural but still have some definition to my eye. And then I'm going to go back to my same big fluffy brush and take the Libra again and just blend out these edges. Make sure they're nice and faded. And then to deepen this look up a little bit more, I'm going to take the Virgo right here and buff this in my crease with a precise blending brush, some Morphe M506. I'm going to keep it more towards the outer corner and drag it up into the crease. And then I'm going to go back into my M433 and just blend this out. It is looking very harsh. So now I'm going to take a little bit of Sagittarius right here. I'm going to put this really close and kind of smudge it right up against my upper lash line on the very outer V. I want to put this shade on the lower lash line. It's like a pop of color, but I want to have like a little bit of a base on the upper. You're not going to be able to see it much, it's just going to give like a little bit of a hint of a purple. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer and I'm going to stick it on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to slightly clean up my inner part of my lid. I'm not going to make it like super precise or anything like that, like a cut crease would be, but I just want to brighten this area up. I just want to lightly dust the Libra right over top of the cut crease kind of part, like the part I kind of like brightened. Kind of help fade the edges a little bit. The concealer did give like a nice color, so I kind of like it. And then I'm just going to remove the tape. And then for lashes, I'm going to use the Baddington lashes in the style Monroe. They're kind of like natural looking lashes, so I don't really want to apply just mascara. That's because I like to have something more than just mascara, so it would be like a nice option. But you could also just apply mascara. I just don't think mascara looks good on me by itself. Really quickly, I'm actually going to apply a wing. I normally don't apply wings because I just kind of don't like them. I don't think they look that good with my looks. I don't know. I just like wingless looks. But today I'm going to do like a half baby wing with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade dark brown. It's just like a nice brown eyeliner. Because I want to do black. I want to keep this look very smoky and like mocha-esque. So I'm just going to do this really quickly and then apply my lashes. Okay, so now the top half of the eyes are done. I'm going to move on to concealer. And I'm going to use this Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. I don't know if the shade's going to match me, but yeah. I'm going to put this in the inner corners of my eyes since the shade is a bit dark. Right where my inner corners are the darkest. Like paint. And then right over top, I'm going to apply this Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. I'm in the shade 010 Porcelain. Just to help brighten this up a little bit more. I don't want my under eyes to be too bright like the Colourpop concealer is, so it's just going to brighten things up a little bit. And then to blend it out, I'm going to use Real Techniques blending sponge. By the way, my nose is like really dry at the moment, so if you see like my foundation sitting weird, that is because my nose is really dry. Thought I mentioned that because it looks horrendous right now. But, and then before I set my concealer in place, I actually want to apply a liquid highlighter. I'm going to use the Naked Skin by Urban Decay in the shade Sin. It's just like their liquid highlighting fluid. And I just want to be like really glowy and glossy today, so I really want to use this to help add to like that effect. I think that liquid highlights look really pretty on your skin and they just like shine through and they're gonna help make your powder highlighter look more intense, so it's always nice. And then to set it in place, I'm gonna use my RCMA No Color Powder. I'm actually just going to finish up the rest of the face really quickly. Normally I move back to the eyes, but today I'm just going to move on to the rest of my face. And get that done an hour with. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to use this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Dolce. Just tap this. It's a pretty warm bronzer, but I think it'll look really nice with the eyes. Normally I use this like in conjunction with something else, but I want to look really bronzy and warm today, so I think this will look nice. I try to be like really careful around my hairline when I do bronzer because my baby hairs will get all distracted. I have like half of my head is full of baby hairs. And then for blush, I'm going to use this Pretty Vulgar blush in the shade Make Them Blush, number 18. It's like a nice deep pink shade. Whoa! I haven't used this in a while and it's like very, very, very pigmented. All my blushes are so pigmented, it's very annoying. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Duo, and I'm going to use just one of the shades. I'm just going to use this shade right here on my cheekbones. Okay, so moving back to the eyes, I'm going to take the shade The Taurus and the Libra Mixed. I'm going to use those as my transitions. I'm going to kind of buff these down lower. Pretty low. And then now I'm going to take a precise little brush. This is a Morphe G28. It's a really dense pencil brush. It's not a pencil brush. Well, never mind. I'm going to take this brush. And then I'm going to take a small pencil brush and we're going to Sagittarius right here. I don't know if I pronounced that right. And this is going to be like the main color I'm going to stick on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Scorpio right here and apply some of that. And then I'm going to apply a white to my waterline just to help brighten things up. And it's also going to kind of mix with the purple that's like already on my lash line, so it's not going to look so intensely white. It's going to have that like purpley undertone to it. And then I'm just going to apply some lower lash mascara. And then for the inner corners, I'm going to take the Cancer and apply that in there. I'm going to touch up my brows too, by the way. They're not going to stay looking like this. Okay, then for lips, I'm going to use this NYX Turnt It Up lipstick in the shade Tools. I'm just going to apply this. It's like a cool tone nude. It's really pretty. And then over top of this, because I feel like it's too light and cool tone at the same time to where it kind of makes me look washed out. So I'm just going to apply this Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Moonchild. Help liven this lip up a little bit. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it before you leave. And if you want to see more videos from me, I upload Mondays and Fridays. So if you want to see those videos, then stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay. Zooming in more. What am I doing? Shade the Virgo.